Hello, folks. Lon Jenkins here again. Yeah, boy. It's time to get some liquids down, for this spring. Here's what I'm going to do today with my concoction. I'm going to do a little insect control, and I'm going to use this Bifen. I'm just going to go at a half dose. All of these I'm just going to go at a half dose because I'm spoon feeding for the spring. You don't need a lot. I noticed that when I do this, not as many birds are pecking in the lawn. I found that when you have a bunch of birds pecking in your lawn, you got a lot of insects. Grubs, ants, whatever it is, that's what they're eating. Got some fish fertilizer here, okay? And this is 4 ounces per gallon. So this 4 ounces per gallon covers 10,000 square feet. So I'm going to go at a half dose. A little simple lawn solution, some root ruckus, and a little blackstrap. So let's get started, because it's supposed to get really windy later. You hear that? That's the teapot. Sooner or later they're going to catch on that I'm using that teapot. Root ruckus. It says 32 ounces per 10,000 square feet. If I were to cut that in half, that would be 16 ounces. That has humic, kelp, different stuff in it. Just a tad bit of insect control for this early spring. Four ounces per gallon. I got a 4-gallon tank. I know this stuff smells like ass. That's why I have the hot water here, because I want to make sure that we stir it up with this. So let's get this started. What we have here, 4 ounces per 1,000. We're going to go half that rate. Molasses. So this says 3 to 6 ounces per every 2 gallons. Man, that's thick. Man, that's thick. Man, that's thick. That is thick. Now the water is still hot, but not piping hot. So what we'll do, we'll clean up our mess when we get done. Try to get out here before this wind starts. But there you go. Another spoon feeding for the spring. We definitely have a lot of wind coming. Hope this works out. We'll try to get the wind to help us.